Welcome to the installation video for the InvisiCook. I am Hans King, and today I'm going to show you a couple recommended methods of installing the new InvisiCook system. We know each surface is different in terms of how it can be installed, depending on whether you purchase a granite countertop, porcelain, or a different natural material. But today I'm going to show you how to properly install on a 12mm porcelain countertop with our sink clip system. I'm also going to show you how to install the controller in a drawer-in-drawer system. This process is both modern and simple to complete. All right, so to get started with the install, first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your box. Inside, obviously, you're going to find your InvisiCook system unit. You're also going to find the controller, and you're going to find the pan risers. So all these will be in there. So step number one, what we're going to do is we're going to find the center line of where the unit's actually going. As you can see here, I've already marked it off with the C marking the center line as the countertop has been flipped over on its backside. After that, I'm going to take stuff, put that over to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to take the InvisiCook unit. We're going to flip her over. Laying her right on top, making sure she's lined up as center as possible. As you can see, I've already put down markings, so I kind of know where the system is set. All right, so that way we know where to put our sink clips. So I got the lines written out. This bad boy back over, and we'll start the process. Now, we've been using a JB weld with the sink clip system here. Basically, it's a two-part epoxy system on it, and 3 pieces to the sink clip system. These are considered spider clips. So we're gonna literally set them down into where they're going, mix the epoxy, put it together as you've seen I've already done, and it'll let it rest. Now, the JB weld will take up to 24 hours for it to cure, but most of the stuff you'll use for most fabricators will only take 12 to 15 minutes for their epoxies to dry. So once everything is dry, we're going to go to the next step, and that's going to be laying down the system and getting ready for the install. So again, I'll line up everything from the center line and my markings on the bottom of the countertop, making sure everything is flush. And we're going to screw these down. Again, you can see how simple these things are to install because these sink clips are so easy to put on. So tighten them again, make sure they're nice and snug on there. You don't have to hard over tighten them. Okay. So it doesn't move it anywhere. I'm going to move the box. Put the controller here on the side and that. And then I'm going to ask my 2 helpers to help me lift this big thing and flip it over. Now the only other thing I would recommend, again, if it is a bigger island, you can also attach it from the bottom. But we're just going to go ahead and flip it. So after we finish installing the countertop in here properly, the next step we are gonna do is take out the controller. So controller is about 1 inch thick, nice and black, nice and sleek. Gonna take it up and put it into the drawer. So I've already done the drawer-in-drawer system. We've already cut it out completely. As you can see, it's got the soft drawer slides as well, okay? So next what we'll do is plug in the system. And I'm just gonna slide this guy in, 1, 2, and she's good to go. So go ahead and slide her back in here. And now we're gonna plug in the system, but first step we're gonna do is make sure we flip the breaker. All right, now that we have the countertop installed, we've also got the controller set up as well. Now what we're gonna do is plug in the unit. We use a 3-prong system on our 224 4-burner units. Also for the 110 on the 1 and 2 burners, again, it's a simple plug-in as well. So what we're gonna do is plug this in, we're gonna flip the breaker, make sure it's working. Now that we're all set, we're gonna flip the breaker and turn the unit on. And I'm gonna power it up. Set it on power boost. And now we're gonna find where the burner is, make sure it's located with a quality induction pan. And as you can already see, it's already connected right away to where we wanted to be. So we know it's good to go. And ooh, it's already getting hot. Now that we've shown you how to install the InvisiCook system to our recommendations on the 12mm porcelain countertop, we thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please visit us at invisicook.com, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.